What's up, everybody? This is Steven Palomino for the MDF2 Project 3 review. Term is 1405. Yeah. And I'm just going to go over the usual questions. So first, what did you do for your project? The same thing everybody did. I did just a photo taking app and video. So I'm just going to go ahead and launch it here on my phone. It's very basic. Tapping the photo will take a picture. You can crop it, use the photo, it'll show the original and the crop version. Canceling cancels it and then dismisses the view. Let's say we take another picture. Zoom in here, use photo. You do save, it shows that it's saved. If you come in here to the gallery, did a lot of tests here, it'll show both pictures. So video does the same. You can record video. Ooh. And do use video. This is the dialogue. If you put no, it will not save, and if you put yes, it will save. So saved there, and there's the video there in the gallery. So everything shows up, and that's that. So let's take a look at the code here. I had a few things. This is my I just put a view on top of the just the normal view, and then I just animated it coming in and out instead of having a separate view. I just wanted to kind of mess around with that, so I did. Basically, for the icons here, I had a little. I just rounded them just because I like it. And the view, I start off making it alpha just so it doesn't show up. And then every time that we pull it in, animate it in, it will put the alpha to 1 so that it'll show up. Let's see, over here somewhere. Up here. Here it is. We'll set the alpha to 1. So it animates in and doesn't changes the alpha to 1. The save button, I did a save method just so I could, since I used it several times, I just did that and then put a bool with it and then just passed it in whenever, if it was supposed to say that it did save, or if it was the save was unsuccessful, so that way I didn't have to keep writing UI alert views. So that's what I did for that. It kind of saved me some space. That's basically it. It's the same thing for each of the photo, video, and gallery, as you all saw from the videos. Picking the source type took me a little bit, but I had to include both. The default is KU type image for images, and so when you specify the movies, it kind of doesn't write the default, so I had to include that to make sure the video showed up in the gallery along with the photos. So that took a second. Everything else was pretty self-explanatory. They just make it so easy to mess around with their code and just put things in. So yeah, last question, what do you think you could have done better? Probably the design. It's just really crappy, but it was just really hard to design something that just had 3 buttons and then, you know, a dialogue and a couple of cancel and save that were just really awkwardly placed, and so I didn't really know how to non-awkwardly present those. So design, I could have done better. I could have probably dove into a few libraries that could have made things prettier. And as far as code goes, I think just I wanted to spend more time kind of understanding what a lot of the methods did that I didn't quite understand, like the context selector image to finish saving with error context info. I understood it when I read the documentation, but I'm not as comfortable, so kind of I'm gonna research that on my own. But other than that, everything was really self-explanatory. The videos did a great job of explaining everything, and that's it. It's been my Project 3 MDF2 review. Thanks for watching.